We're going to be reading a variety of poems starting tomorrow, but today I wanted to introduce you to one type of poetry that is called a haiku. It's spelled Haiku, but it's actually pronounced haiku. Can you say that with me? Haiku. And it's a little bit different than most poems in that it has 3 lines and it doesn't necessarily need to rhyme. Hang on, I lost my screen. It's 3 lines, and the first line has 5 syllables, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second line must have 7 syllables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And line 3 is very similar to line 1, and then also has 5 syllables. So I wrote a haiku about my dog, Chloe. And this is what it says. Black border collie likes to play fetch in the yard, jumps high in the air. So let's clap it to see if I'm right. Do I have 5 syllables in the first line? Black border collie. That was 5. Likes to play fetch in the yard. Likes to play fetch in the yard. There was 7. Jumps high in the air. Jumps high in the air. Yeah, 5, 7, 5. So what I want you to do is it's your turn to write a haiku. Choose any topic. Maybe it's snowing today and you want to write about winter or snow or building a snowman, or maybe staying inside and drinking hot chocolate or Christmas or whatever's on your mind right now. Or maybe you want to write about your dogs or cats or your guinea pigs or whatever. I want you to go ahead and write that in here, and I can't wait to see these. Remember, line 1 has 5 syllables, your second line needs 7 syllables, and your third line needs 5 syllables. So sometimes you have to play around with this. Usually it will take me 10 or 15 minutes. I'll just keep playing with words and playing with syllables and putting things in and taking them out. So have fun. Can't wait to see what you wrote.